Students' floor experience in the college physical education classroom. Content. Abstract. Statement of the problem. Conclusion. Recommendation. Abstract. This study investigated the floor experience of physical education majors, non-physical education students, and the students participating in confrontational sports and non-confrontational sports courses in Bozhou University. Obtained the floor experience of the investigators, compared them with different investigators, analyzed the differences and related points, and provided suggestions for students to better produce floor experience in physical education courses. Statement of the problem. This paper aims to study the psychological state of students in physical education classrooms, explore the correlation between flow factors in students' classrooms and physical education performance, and the horizontal comparison among surveyed subjects. 1. What is the assessment of the student who are PE major and non-PE major respondents in their floor experience in physical education in terms of challenges, skill balance, action awareness measured, clean goal, precise feedback, concentration in the task at hand, control, loss of self, time transition, enjoyment. 2. Is there a significant difference in the assessment of the PE major and non-PE major students in their floor experience in physical education? 3. What is the grade performance of the students in physical education? 4. Is there a significant relationship between students' course performance and students' floor experience in college physical education classes? 5. Based from the result of the study, what intervention physical activity program will be constructed to enhance students' floor experiences during physical education? Conclusion. 1. Assessment of the PE and non-PE student in their floor experience in physical education is average. The observed average floor experience indicates that neither group is encountering optimal conditions for learning and participation in physical education. 2. The increased floor levels in physical education students indicate that this subject may significantly enhance overall student engagement and contentment in school. 3. The gap in floor experiences suggests that individuals not participating in physical education may forfeit the psychological advantages linked to physical activity. 4. There is a relationship between students' course performance and students' floor experience in physical education. The implications of the relationship extend far beyond individual performance metrics. Recommendation 1. The educators may employ differentiated education measures that address various learning skill and proficiency levels. 2. Activities may be organized to enhance sports skill acquisition and enjoyment, thereby cultivating intrinsic motivation. Educators may integrate student input into lesson design to ensure that activities align with students' preferences and motivations. Third, the school administrators may create a conducive con, con, conducive atmosphere that promotes collaboration among students, match arguments their flow experience. 4. Educational institutions may promote inclusive physical activity programs that surpass conventional physical education sessions. 5. Educators may prioritize instructional strategies that encourage active participation and minimize anxiety associated with performance outcomes. 6. The department head may ensure that teacher training programs emphasize the importance of understanding the psychological aspects of student engagement. Thanks for listening and please give advice.